In algebra, to be excellent in algebra, you need to know the steps and then start working on exercises. Why? Because when you know the steps, you know how to follow a system, and when you know how to follow a system, you will know how to solve exercises and then apply it to problems. So, we're going to see the steps to divide polynomials and finally to know what is the remainder theory. So let's go. Division of polynomials. First is long division, that is applied when you divide two polynomials. If you don't have two polynomials, it's better to apply other thing. For example, if you have polynomial divided monomial, better to apply distributive property. But to apply two polynomials, when you divide two polynomials, so you have to apply long division. So what you gotta do in long division? Take the first term of dividend, take the first term of divisor, and divide them. Then you will have a quotient. So this is the first step. Divide the first term of dividend and divisor. Then multiply the quotient you got, the division you got, the quotient, multiply it by divisor. Multiply it by divisor. And the answer, what you're going to do with the answer is subtract. Subtract this multiplication from dividend. Take the dividend, take the multiplication you got, and subtract them. When you subtract them, you have the remainder. So you have to check the remainder. First step, if the reminder's degree is greater than the divisor's degree, repeat the process. Take the first term, divide them, quotient, multiply, and then subtract. If not, it's because you finished the division and you just have to write the answer. So take dividend equals quotient times divisor plus remainder, or dividend divided divisor equals quotient plus remainder divided divisor. Okay, both are the same, obviously. The first part, I like it because it's showing you factors, and the second option showing you the division. Okay, so this is about long division, but there's another method. The other method is synthetic division. And synthetic division just can be used when the divisor is of the form x minus a. If it's not in the form x minus a, you cannot use it. And what you have to do? You have to take just the coefficients of dividend and list them horizontally, and to the left, you have to list, a. Put a. Okay? Then as you have a, then you have to bring down the first coefficient, multiply it by a, and then this multiplication added with the second coefficient. Then you have an answer. This answer multiplied by a, put it, and add it with the third coefficient, so on and so forth, until you finish one. Okay? And finally, so the last coefficient is the remainder, and the other coefficients are the coefficients of the quotient, remembering that the highest degree of the quotient will be 1 less the highest degree of the dividend. So you just have to write the coefficients and put the degrees, x4, x3, if the dividend is x5. Okay, this is the synthetic division. It's pretty easy. And finally is the remainder theorem. That the remainder theorem is when you want to check if a polynomial is divisible by x minus a. So when the polynomial is divided by x minus a, the remainder is equal to p evaluated in a, the polynomial evaluated in a. So, for example, if you have a polynomial and you divide it by x minus 3, the remainder theorem says that the remainder of the division is p evaluated on a, on 3. So, this is some way too easy to know if a polynomial is divisible by x minus a with no division. If you don't want to do the division, you just have to do that. Apply the remainder theory. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for listening. If you have any question, please send me a message, send me a comment. If you want that I show you how to apply these three methods in an exercise, send me a link, send me a comment, I'll show you how to do it in an exercise. There's one video about division of polynomials here in my tube to see how to do it. So thank you so much, and remember, long division, synthetic division just of the form x minus a, and remainder theorem, how to know if a polynomial is divisible without doing the division. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.